Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about an internship opportunity which is coming from Flipkart. So you can see here this is a Launchpad internship program. So you need to click here. So after that you will see if you want to read them completely then you can. But the most important points are these two. Like this is going to be a 45-day internship, and in this the students are going to learn about supply chain, and you are also going to be a part of their team. And students will receive a benefits basket that offers stipend, insurance, R&R incentives, and certificate of internship completion. So this is a 1.5 month internship, and you can get all these benefits after doing it. Okay, so let's see what is the eligibility criteria. So you can see these two images. So if you are of 18 years or above and you are a college student, then you can apply to it. Means if you are a 2022 pass out or 2023, 24, 25, then you can easily apply to this internship. And let's see which streams and level are eligible. So those who are pursuing UG, PG or diploma courses for any stream except BTech, means BTech degree holders or BTech pursuing students are not eligible for this internship program. So if you are a BTech student, then you can watch my other videos on internships and certification programs, but you cannot register in this internship. Now let's see the right side. Here you can see you need to have your Aadhaar card and bank account details. And if you get selected in this internship program, then you will be assigned a placement officer, and they will give you tasks to complete in that internship. Okay, and this is completely offline program, means you can't do work from home. You need to be available at the site, means at the location of this internship. Okay, I will also discuss the details about the location. And this Arogya Setu app is also being installed in your mobile phone. Now let's see the locations of that internship. So this internship is all around India. So you can see here. So for North Zone, Faruk Nagar, Tauru, Binola, Bilaspur, Jaipur, Ludhiana, Sanakpa. So all these are for North Zone. Similarly for South Zone, you can see the complete list. If you can be available at these places, then you should apply to this internship program. And this is the selection process. So this is how they select the candidates. So some internal vetting will be there, and they will decide that you are going ahead or not. You just need to do registration. After that, this internal vetting. If you will get selected, then you are going to receive a telephonic call, or it can be a virtual round, and it is the first level of interview. So if you cross this round, then you are going to have F2F round, and this is not going to be same for all cases. However, some of you would be called to their facilities for a quick F2F interview. Okay, F2F means face to face interview. All right, so after that there is a final selection, and once you are done with that all the levels of interviews, you will receive a formal communication of selection from their team. Okay, so let's see how we can apply to this internship. Okay, you can go to home, and from here you can click this apply now button. Here you will see this form. You need to put your email address here like this, and you can see the disclaimer that this is not a virtual internship. You need to be available at the location. Okay, and interns would be mapped under one of the Flipkart's empaneled vendor. So you will be mapped with some vendor, and intern would receive co-branded certificate from Flipkart and vendor partner. All right, so you are a student or placement officer. After that, next, so you need to fill this form, like full name on your Aadhaar card, email address, phone number, date of birth, gender, zone is your college located, means if you are from north, south, east or west, college name, college city, college state, passing out year, means first year, second, third, fourth, course name like BA, BSc, BTech is not there. Okay, specialization, college placement officer name, officer name and phone number. Means if you are having some placement officer, every college is having some placement officer, so you can contact them and you can put their name and phone number. Okay, and you need to put their email also. Which facility would you be open to work for internship duration? You can click any location, whatever you are comfortable with. So you need to fill these check boxes, like I am available for the entire duration of 45 days. So you need to fill all these checks. All right, so if any of the check you will not put, then you are not going to be selected. So how did you know about this internship? After that, have you participated in the Launchpad program 2020? Yes or no, whatever. Were you referred to this program by a senior? Okay, so you need to fill these details. So after filling all the details, you can click next, and after that you will see this form and you can click submit. After submitting, your response will be recorded, and if you get selected, then they will contact you through email or phone call, and you will see the further proceedings. So that's it for the video. I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then please hit like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.